All right, Barbie. Ready for a glow-up? Chop, chop.
Sue, are you sure? I kinda like my hair already.
Trust me, you're gonna love it.
Mine!
Oh, Sammy, I'm not done yet.
Huh? Sue, you don't know fashion at all. Long hair is so in trend right now.
That was close. Thanks.
No worries. Instead of a haircut, let's do circus makeup.
No way! No circus stuff. Barbie already looks amazing.
New makeup?
Nope.
Yup. Circus style is the biggest trend ever. You're just...
Okay, time to run.
Stop right there.
Huh?
We haven't even started your manicure yet. Your nails are totally safe with me.
No, Barbie needs a haircut.
I hope this is the right place. Hello, are you here for the makeover too?
She needs a manicure. Huh?
Guys, you have visitors.
Who are they?
Makeover guests. Woohoo!
Hi there.
Hi, Sammy, we heard you're a hairstyling genius.
And the rumors are true. You'll be amazed when I'm done.
Come, I'll make your hair look wow.
Then I'll take care of you, sweetie. Let's go.
Okay, let's see what we've got. So pretty. Girls, you're gonna be the most stylish ever.
Hey, I drew all this and prepped it. That's mine.
Sammy, great job. But first we need to cut everything out. And I thought we'd split it evenly.
Yeah? Well, that's what I'll do. Just a little more, and done! Ha! Perfectly even.
What is he doing there? Sammy, why did you split the table in half?
Because it's makeover challenge time!
Challenge accepted. I'll do her, you do this one.
Deal! But, can you help me with this first? Need to cut it.
Of course.
Awesome! Now let the challenge begin!
So first we... Uh-oh, that's not right.
Mine's standing just fine. Whoa!
First things first. To make the doll stand, we need a base. Trace carefully, so no cardboard shows. Like this. Boom! First part done.
Hey, I can do that too! Watch me! Okay, cardboard. What next? Alright, trace it.
Now attach the supports in the back. There! Much better.
Done! So, what do you think, Sue? Is it a tie?
Looks like it. Which means hairstyle time.
I'll use the best color. Huh? Hey! Sue, pink was mine!
Whoops, sorry, Sammy. My doll really wanted pink hair.
Right. It's just like when you ate my candy.
What candy? I didn't eat your candy, Sammy. Let's focus on the makeover, shall we?
You didn't? Then what happened yesterday? Wait, what? No, that can't be happening. Who could do this? My candy. No! I know it was you.
Sammy, it wasn't me. Better help me pick a headpiece. This one or maybe that? Oh, this one fits her perfectly. And cute clips for the locks. Oh, what a sweet look.
We'll see whose look is better. Slime style magic, activate!
I don't know about this.
Magic, how could you? You betrayed me. Huh?
Hey! Magic is not allowed in challenges. Especially silly magic like this. Clean this up.
What do you mean, silly? I tried so hard. Do I have to redo everything?
Not exactly. I have something for you. Here, mermaid hair. Super trendy. Use wisely.
Thank you. That was close. Wait, if there's a judge, there should be an audience.
Oh, yeah, of course. Right here.
Go, Sam and Sue, you got this! Woohoo! Go, go, go!
And done! Hair is on. Time for the bangs. Don't move. Bangs must be perfect. Aha! Bangs done. Let's add a headpiece. What about a flower crown? Such fairy vibes.
Not really my thing.
Okay, how about this fancy green hat? So ladylike.
Green is not my color, Sammy.
Got it. I have something just for you. Ta-da! A pink bow. Sue, you see this?
Wow, pink and blue together look amazing.
Wait till you see these clips. Mind-blowing. Haha! I'm the best fashionista ever. Sue, look! These glasses are perfect.
Awesome. Let's use them next.
Hey, that was on my side. That means it's mine.
It was in the middle, Sammy. Don't be greedy.
Oh no. Are they arguing? I can't do this anymore. I have to tell the truth.
Mine, mine.
No, it's mine.
Guys, it was me!
Oh, hi, Can.
Mine. Yes, I win.
Can, what do you mean?
I mean, I ate Sam's candy. I'm so sorry.
La la la. Wait, what? It was you?
I'm glad you told the truth.
Why didn't you say sooner? Sue, I'm sorry. I thought it was you.
It's okay, Sammy. Friends again?
Yay! Wait, one sec. There. No more hugs. No more challenges. Best friends forever. Hooray!
Sammy, what about me?
Whoops.
How about we finish her look together? I've got such a cool bang idea.
Whoa, Sue! You're a real hairstyle prodigy. I've never seen anything like that before.
Oh, thanks. Now let's trim the tips.
Holy cannoli, it got even cooler. How is this even possible? Just look at those cuts. Perfection. Let me look at this from this angle. Wow, amazing!
I look great, but we're not done yet, right?
Huh?
Accessories, Sammy.
That's right. They make the hair shine. This headband is unbelievably cute.
Look at all these clips. Let's try them all. Now. Take it, Sue.
Wow, so many. One of these will be the match. Let's try it.
More clips, more cuteness. Teamwork for the win.
Totally. And now the final touch. There we are.
Oh yeah! That's what I call high fashion. Girl, you're red carpet ready, I'm telling ya. Finally. Sue, we did an amazing job today.
Wait, guys! What about my second outfit?
Whoops. You are right. On my way.
Don't worry, sweetheart. We didn't forget you.
Bring in the hair.
Here, we made something special just for you. Well, what do you think?
Mind-blowing! I always wanted rainbow hair.
Guys, look. Star glasses would be perfect for this. You can't tell me otherwise. Hey, Sue, come on, put them on and we're done.
Almost.
Huh?
Accessories
Oh.
first. I declare you the queen of style.
Ah, so fabulous.
The prettiest.
Coming here was the best choice ever. Thank you, guys.
Oh, you're making me blush.
What's going on here? Sue was supposed to do this look. The challenge jury will hear about it.
Wait, but Sue and Sam made up and worked together.
Exactly. No more judges. So I'll teleport you to another challenge now.
What? Wait. No magic. I forbid magic.
Hi, this is awkward.
Barbie?
What? Oh, drama.
Barbie, is it you? But why?
I was scared you'd mess up my hair, so I disguised myself as an owl.
Why didn't you say so right away? You didn't have to worry. We are pros after all. Wanna see?
Wow, is it too late to ask for a makeover now? Please, please.
I don't know. I am booked for a month. Sue?
Of course, Barbie. And Sammy, no grumpy faces, please. And you, friends, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Sue and Sam. Yay!
Bye-bye, friends.
Have a great week, everyone. I'm off to rest.
Rest? What about my hair?